What if one fruit could give you a sweet taste and sweet profit at the same time? Yes, today we're talking about lychee farming. Lychee is a tropical fruit loved for its juicy, sweet, and slightly tangy flavor. Originally from China, lychee is now widely grown in India and many parts of Asia. With rising demand in fresh markets and exports, lychee farming is becoming a profitable choice for farmers. Lychee grows best in tropical and subtropical climates. The ideal temperature range is 20 to 35 degrees Celsius. It needs humidity during flowering and fruit development, but it cannot tolerate frost, especially in winter. For best results, plant lychee in deep, well-drained, loamy soil rich in organic matter. Avoid waterlogged areas, as excess water can damage the roots. Lychee is commonly propagated through air layering or grafting, which helps maintain quality. Plant during the monsoon season, keeping 8 to 10 meters spacing between trees for healthy growth. Young lychee plants need regular watering. Mature trees mainly need water during flowering and fruiting stages. Mulching helps retain soil moisture and control weeds. Apply organic compost and balanced NPK fertilizers every year for better yield and tree health. Common pests in lychee include fruit borers, mites, and leaf miners. Following integrated pest management practices helps control pests safely and effectively. Lychee fruits are ready for harvest between April and June. Harvest when fruits turn bright red and firm. A mature tree can yield 40 to 100 kilograms per year, depending on variety and farm management. Since lychee has a short shelf life, quick selling or processing is very important. Lychee farming offers a great opportunity with high market demand and attractive returns. If you want a fruit crop that delivers both taste and profit, lychee is an excellent option. Like this video, share it with fellow farmers, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more practical farming tips, income ideas, and real success stories from the field.